Hola hola, in this beautiful video I'm going to show you how to write a simple Python script using ArcGIS Pro for doing a simple buffer analysis. So I have my ArcGIS Pro open and I know where my files are here. So I'll show you in a simple way. So first things first, you need to have the Python working environment like a notebook. So where do we get it? Let us go to Insert, then go to here, New Notebook. You can go for the Python here, okay? So let us click new notebook here. So by clicking new notebook here, that means we are activating our Python notebook. So we're going to write a command for actually doing the buffering for a simple Python script. So it is opening by initializing here. Let us give it some seconds. Yes, voila. So I'll start straight. We start because you're doing the buffering. I'll comment first. Simple buffer. Simple buffering. Then I'll start my command. Import ArcPy, as usual. This is the Python like for ArcGIS. Then where the folder is, so the folder location, folder, I'm commenting, this hash is for commenting, folder location. These are the roads, so I'll say roads, where are they? I'll put I know. Then folder location, then I'll comment output folder, where should that buffered particular data should be kept. So I'll comment, I'll call it output, then I'll put. Then let's go now for where are the rows located. So I'll go, I open my location files and here in. So I know my rows, where are they? They're here, the shape file. Make sure you select, then copy as a path. So by right clicking, then copy as a path. Then I'll go back to my ArcGIS Pro, then I'll paste it here. Okay, so it has a double string like this one. So mind you, change this to / by, yes, you see here, change this to / bingo. Then the output, where should it go? So I'll go back to my computer, then I want this particular path here. So I'll just go inside this particular path, then I'll just can copy this path here, then go back to my ArcGIS Pro, then put it here. Okay, as usual. Then put this double string. Actually didn't come with a double string because I didn't copy as a path. Then change this to / okay, change this to / okay. Then next we are doing the buffering now. I'm commenting now, buffering. So let us guess things dating now. ArcPy as usual, because we call it already here by importing. Then dot, we are doing the analysis. It is in analysis tab. Then buffer. Okay, that's it. Then now put a bracket. Put a bracket here. Now you put the name of this particular folder where the data is. So it's called roads. Then comma. The output folder is called output, where it's supposed to go because I've established like a variable. Then because it's already in projection, as mind you, in order to buffer, make sure it's in projection already. So I'll do it maybe, for instance, how many meters? Maybe let us keep 50 meters. 50 meters, that means it will be 50 meters this side and 50 meters the other side. Mind you, keep this double string here so as to know that this is like this, 50 meters. So that's it. So after finishing, that means when I press a run, our buffered rows will be like from the center line 50 meter right side, 50 meter left side. That means we'll be having something like 100. So by pressing run, our command is now running for the buffer analysis, simple buffer analysis using ArcGIS Pro. Okay, so it says analysis, there's some error. Doesn't matter. Actually, it's about this actually particular command. So let us see what's the problem. Okay, fine. I need to put this here, some space here. 50 meters, yes. Okay, then run again. Okay, so upon pressing run, wow, voila. So you see there's a space issue. So that means when I go to my map tab here, I have my buffered rows already. You see, you can cross check. You see, for instance, here, you can cross check, you can do a measure. You have a map, and map here, you have a ruler. You can take a ruler because 50 meter means you should get something like 100 measure distance. So from here, almost should be 100. Okay, yes. Close it and do it again, measure distance. That's from here maybe. Yes, somewhere 100 because I'm not accurate. So that's it. So this is the way of doing simple buffer analysis using Python script for ArcGIS Pro. Subscribe for more. Thank you a lot.